Okay, so I've been preparing this moment for quite a long time. Today, I am officially moving on from Sony Vegas to Premiere Pro. Now, I know you may think, hey, why do you need to make a video about this? And why is it so important? Isn't it just a video editing software? Well, I've been using Sony Vegas since the beginning of YouTube. No, not the beginning. Since I've been editing. It's been my main editing program, and it's been throughout almost my entire life. It's kind of sad. I've tried to transition over a few times, but I've mainly changed. I mainly just sat back and I was like, hey, it's too hard. But if I just don't try, then I can't succeed. So that's why I'm switching to Premiere Pro. Sony Vegas has been with me for so long. I've got used to it because, it's such an easy program to learn. But, learning new programs aren't that easy. So, if you expect me to not have that much editing, I'm sorry about that because I'm getting into Premiere Pro. I recently picked up Vegas Pro 18 because it just came out this month, and I was disappointed in the lack of updates. The UI looks exactly the same. They just said AI, but it just crashes a lot, and the performance isn't that good. So I feel like Vegas Pro 18 could have improved, but at least I'm switching to Premiere Pro. Now I might switch to Premiere Pro today or in a few days from now. It just depends. It just depends. So hopefully I won't. I hope I won't switch back because I really need to make this change to complete everything. So Vegas Pro has been with me for so long. I'm sad that it's going away. Well, for me at least. But there are some good benefits with switching to Premiere Pro. First, it's made by Adobe, and I've been using Photoshop from almost my entire life, and I've got used to Photoshop, and I've done Photoshop, and me using Photoshop just makes me think that it's really easy because Photoshop was kind of easy to learn. I did self-teach myself, so I feel like I can self-teach myself on Premiere, but I feel like I just need to watch tutorials as well because that's what everybody does. Everybody, either self-teaches or watches videos and tutorials on how to do the software. Now, if you are getting into YouTube and you want to know what is the best editing program out there, I have to say either Sony Vegas or Premiere Pro, because Sony Vegas is for starters, and I've been a starter for almost my entire life. So it's time to move on to advanced, and it's time to move on to intermediate and all that. It's time to move on to the next level, because it can't just keep on, this program just crashes too much, and I lose motivation when my software crashes, so it just doesn't make any sense anymore. There are, Sony Vegas is very easy. Premiere Pro looks difficult. But it's just After Effects and just a little more simpler, I would say. I don't know. After Effects is mainly for VFX editing. Now this video is going to be edited inside of Sony Vegas 18 for the last time, just to say farewell, goodbye. I'm gonna keep it on my computer just in case if I really want to switch back, which I'll let you know. But I'm gonna have to push myself not to switch back and self-teach myself or just look up tutorials. So hopefully I will keep you notified on that. It's sad to see it go away, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. So hopefully this change is very worth my time and worth the effort, because oh god. Now with Premiere there are some great benefits, like not that much lag, not many crashes, a lot more advanced video editing, Of course, I'm gonna be very lazy with my video editing because I do not like editing that much. I like making the thumbs. I mean, I guess I like editing, but I'm always lazy. Like, every time I open it up, I make an edit. I'm like, huh, I guess nobody's gonna watch this, so why would I ever edit that much? You know, so I don't have that motivation. I don't have the motivation to edit the video correctly. So you may just see the lack of edits for the first few weeks because of, you know, me getting into Premiere. But then after a few months, you might see some more advanced editing. Hopefully we get 100 subscribers by the end of 2020, which would be pretty cool. So hopefully everybody enjoys the 2020. Halloween is soon, I guess, in like a month. By the time I'm recording this, it's 31st of August. It's almost September. But yeah, I mean, it's almost my birthday as well, so I'm glad. But yeah, that's apparently it from me. I hope you enjoy. It's time to say goodbye, and it's time to move on to Premiere Pro. Alright, I'm gonna make a change. Goodbye.